Welcome to our Comprehensive Regulatory Affairs course brochure for July 2026. This video will outline the key details of our program. Ready to launch your career in regulatory affairs? Invest in yourself today by accessing our free regulatory course or signing up for our full program at our website. You can find all the details and contact information on screen. This video covers a wide range of topics, including career pathways, industry salaries, expert-led training, and how to gain the necessary work experience to succeed. If you are feeling unfulfilled in your current role or are simply curious about regulatory affairs, this course is designed for you. With just a life science or healthcare degree, we show you how to transition into this rewarding career. Regulatory affairs offers high salaries, excellent benefits, flexible working arrangements, and the opportunity to make a real impact on patient health worldwide. It is a stable, high-demand field. As you can see, regulatory affairs professionals command competitive salaries across the US, Europe, the UK, and Switzerland, with clear paths for progression from associate to executive levels. Our training provides the knowledge, work experience, and career mentoring you need to land your dream job, regardless of your current experience level. Many students have successfully transitioned within weeks. Led by industry experts with experience at the MHRA and major global pharmaceutical companies, our course provides deep insights into the full product lifecycle and the regulatory landscape. Our course founder knows firsthand the challenges of entering this industry without prior experience. We built this training to bridge that gap, offering the mentorship that was missing when starting out. Regulatory affairs is the essential profession responsible for the licensing and compliance of medicines. Professionals manage submissions, strategies, and legislation to ensure public safety. Regulatory professionals handle complex submissions for clinical trials, lead compliance reviews, manage agency communications, and ultimately enable global patient access to life-saving medicines. Why struggle to get hired? Our course covers the specific education, skills, and regulatory knowledge that companies look for in job descriptions, ensuring you are prepared for the competitive landscape. Data shows that candidates with regulatory experience have a significantly higher success rate in securing entry-level roles. Our program helps you move up this pyramid of opportunity. We offer 3 months of practical work experience covering clinical trials, marketing authorizations, and regulatory strategy, experience that is highly recognized by health authorities and industry leaders. Our graduates are already succeeding at top-tier companies globally. Are you ready to join them? Scan the QR code to take the next step in your regulatory career. This video features student success stories, highlighting the career transformations achieved after completing our regulatory affairs training. Scan the QR code to learn more. Our graduates transition into various regulatory roles, from associates to leads, within health authorities and major pharmaceutical companies. Their feedback underscores the value of our practical approach. Students like Tejaswi, Adebukola, and Federica have successfully secured roles by leveraging the direct industry insights and structured support provided throughout our program. This course is tailored for those looking to pivot into regulatory affairs without prior experience, or for professionals aiming to bridge knowledge gaps to enhance their career progression. We address the common obstacles in entering the industry. Our program provides a comprehensive foundation, including hard-to-get real-world work experience, CV preparation, and mock interviews. Our full regulatory affairs course details provide fixed start dates for cohort-based learning. Minimum entry requirements include a degree in life sciences, healthcare, or chemistry. Beyond the core curriculum, we offer further work experience and mentoring through live webinars and drop-in job search sessions to support your transition into the workforce. We stand out by offering an exclusive regulatory professional community, ongoing alumni support, and specific projects in regulatory intelligence to help you stand out from the competition. Our Global Regulatory Affairs course provides additional flexibility with Start Anytime access, covering submissions across multiple international regions like Canada, Saudi Arabia, and Australia. This slide illustrates the potential career trajectory for our students, moving from their current position to a regulatory role, with many securing jobs within 2 weeks to 9 months. Upon enrollment, your journey begins with a welcome call, followed by access to lectures, work experience modules, and continuous career support until you successfully secure your new role. The program is designed as a part-time commitment of about 6 hours per week, allowing you to balance learning alongside your existing professional or academic responsibilities. We offer flexible payment options and various discounts for students, NHS workers, academics, and individuals from low-income countries to ensure access to our training. If you want to test the waters, our free, self-paced 3-hour mini course offers a preview of the content, including a sample work assignment to build your baseline knowledge. From clinical trials to marketing authorization applications and pharmacovigilance, our training covers the full technical scope required to launch and excel in your regulatory affairs career. Our curriculum is structured into core lecture series, providing over 20 CPD hours of in-depth training on the fundamentals of regulatory affairs to ensure you are industry ready. We are the only introductory program covering EU, US, and UK pharmaceutical regulatory affairs, while also delving into specialist topics like medical devices and pharmacovigilance. You will complete practical work experience assignments based on real-life scenarios. Our experts review your work and provide detailed, personalized feedback to refine your skills. Every lecture includes real-world case studies, allowing you to immediately apply your knowledge to current industry challenges, ensuring you grasp complex concepts thoroughly. Once enrolled, you gain entry into our exclusive professional community. Here, you can network, ask questions, and receive ongoing support from peers and your course tutor. Our support continues well beyond the classroom. We provide expert guidance on job searching, recommendations for entry-level positions, and strategies to help you get hired. We offer professional CV reviews to help you stand out. By highlighting your course certifications and practical work experience, you significantly increase your chances of securing an interview. Prepare for success with our mock interviews. Conducted via live video by hiring managers from major pharmaceutical firms, this practice ensures you are ready to impress. On completion of the course, you will receive an industry-recognized certificate, complete with an addendum detailing all modules covered, which you can showcase to potential employers. For the core regulatory affairs course, you can start anytime. A life science, healthcare, or chemistry degree is the minimum requirement to join our program. Our career support is comprehensive. From CV writing and interview practice to job search guidance, we are with you until you secure your new role. We offer flexible payment options to help you invest in your future, including installment plans through platforms like Klarna and PayPal to manage course fees. If you are an NHS worker, in full-time education, or from a low-income country, we offer special discounts. Please reach out to us for more information on eligibility. Look at the return on investment from past students. Whether transitioning from academia or quality assurance, the growth in salary and career opportunity is substantial. Ready to begin? Visit our website at EntryToRegulatory.com to explore our course fees, sign up for the full program, or try our free mini course to start your journey today.